Welcome to NUBO AI, the industry-leading trade data analysis platform designed to deliver fast, efficient, and actionable insights into global trade flows. In today's demonstration, we'll focus on Russian imports and strategic trade controls, zeroing in on commodities on the high-priority battlefield list. This use case is critical for ensuring compliance with international sanctions and identifying illicit transactions that may threaten global security. With NUBO AI, even the most complex trade data sets are analyzed in seconds. Our platform is built to identify high-risk entities, transshipment patterns, and restricted goods with precision. This empowers organizations to stay ahead of threats and maintain regulatory compliance. Here's what we'll cover: an overview of the datasets available, a live demonstration of how NUBO AI's algorithms pinpoint high-risk transactions, detect anomalies in trade flows, and uncover potential sanctions violations. And 3, how our integration with Snowflake delivers organized, shareable outputs that enable rapid decision-making and proactive compliance. NUBO AI makes analyzing global trade data not just faster, but smarter, transforming raw data into actionable intelligence. Let's dive in. In the platform, we have global trade data from over 15 countries enriched with sanctions and strategic trade control lists. We have data on dual-use goods, restricted technologies, and high-priority battlefield items. We track transshipment activity linked to Russia and its neighboring regions. Jumping now into the platform, I have a dashboard open that shows Russian import data from January of 2020 to March of 2024. As you can see, we have 52 million transactions. These are the value in US dollars over time, the total value in USD, and we have top consignees, top shippers, origin codes of the products, consignee codes, HS codes, producers and brands. Some transactions even have currency, and then we can dig into the transactions more deeply down below, and finally a word cloud showing the product descriptions. So from this dashboard, I can, within minutes, quickly pinpoint illicit transactions. The first thing I'm going to do is look for any shippers who are shipping to denied consignees. So I went from 52 million down to 1.3 million in just a quick click. Transactions whose HS codes are on the high priority battlefield list. I'm now down to 282,000. And scrolling down, we can start to look at the shippers here who are of interest. I can get rid of the shippers who are already listed on OFAC or other denied parties listings. And you can see now I'm down to 78,000. Oops. I want to make this false so that it's showing me those that are not already listed. There we go. 204,000. And in this case, I'm going to focus in on this entity here. That looks new. So I can just click there and filter for only transactions from that shipper. And I can see who they're shipping to, the total count, when the transactions peaked, HS codes, the origin countries, and I can begin to look into the transactions down here. So this was a capacitor going to Ultra Beta, which is a sanctioned entity on the OFAC list, OFAC's SDN list, and I can see the shipper address. This is really helpful as OFAC also starts to look at more shipping addresses and listing addresses. Being able to search on those is also very important. So as you can see, in a few short clicks, I was able to narrow down to 3,000 transactions all by the same shipper, and I can start to investigate if this is an illicit actor. With NUBO AI, the insights from this type of analysis are then published directly to Snowflake, providing users with ready-to-use structured data. This means that all the high-risk transactions, the flagged entities like the one that we just saw, and restricted goods are delivered through Snowflake in an organized fashion. And this makes it easy to integrate this data into your workflows. By leveraging Snowflake's accessibility, we ensure that you have actionable intelligence you need exactly when you need it. Thank you for watching. NUBO AI empowers you to analyze trade data with unmatched speed and precision, helping you identify illicit transactions and high-risk entities in real time. With seamless integrations and actionable insights, you're equipped to make smarter decisions faster.